Welcome to AI Finance. Today we're going to talk about family budgeting and how artificial intelligence can help make this task a little easier. Budgeting is an important aspect of managing your finances, but it can be difficult to keep track of all the different expenses, especially for families. But with the help of AI, you can make the process smoother, faster, and more efficient. Disclaimer: please keep in mind that AI-powered budgeting tools are not a substitute for personal financial advice. It's always best to consult a financial professional before making any major financial decisions. Why family budgeting is important. Family budgeting is important because it helps you to control your finances and ensure that you have enough money to cover all of your expenses. By creating a budget, you can see exactly where your money is going, identify areas where you can cut back on expenses, and plan for future purchases. The traditional way of budgeting. Traditionally, people have used spreadsheets or paper and pencil to keep track of their expenses and create a budget. While this method works, it can be time-consuming, and it's easy to make mistakes. Additionally, it can be difficult to track expenses in real time, making it hard to stay on top of your budget. The role of AI in budgeting. AI can help make family budgeting easier and more efficient. With AI-powered budgeting tools, you can automatically categorize your expenses, track your spending in real time, and receive personalized recommendations to help you save money. How AI-powered budgeting tools work. AI-powered budgeting tools work by using algorithms and machine learning to analyze your spending patterns and categorize your expenses. The tool can then use this information to create a budget that is tailored to your specific needs and financial situation. Additionally, AI can also help you identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and provide recommendations on how to save money. Examples of AI-powered budgeting tools. There are several AI-powered budgeting tools available, including Mint, Personal Capital, and Pocketsmith. These tools can help you to track your expenses, create a budget, and stay on top of your finances. Tips for family budgeting. Start by tracking your spending for 1 month to get a clear picture of your expenses. Set realistic goals for saving and stick to them. Create a budget that works for your family, taking into account all of your fixed and variable expenses. Review your budget regularly and adjust it as necessary. Use technology, such as AI-powered budgeting tools, to help automate the process and make it easier to stay on track. Get the whole family involved in the budgeting process to ensure everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. Finally, be flexible and be willing to make changes to your budget as your financial situation changes. By following these tips, you can create a budget that works for your family and helps you to reach your financial goals. In conclusion, family budgeting is an important aspect of managing your finances, but it can be difficult to keep track of all the different expenses. With the help of AI-powered budgeting tools, you can make the process smoother, faster, and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.